Hi everybody. In the last video, I showed you how to set up the title page for a student paper in APA style. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the body of the paper in APA style. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is go to the Home tab. We're going to go to the Styles area, and we're going to open up the Styles pane with this little button here. We're also going to go to the View tab, and we're going to open up the Navigation pane with this checkbox. We're going to use both styles and the navigation pane in this video. Okay, so let's go back to Home. We have the cursor on the very first line of the second page, and the cursor is centered. Centered. We also want the cursor to be, we also want the text to be bold. And we're going to type the title of the paper. Okay, we're going to remove the bolded text. We're going to insert one paragraph break. We're going to left align the text. And now we're going to create a new style to define what paragraphs should look like in our APA style paper. So to do that, go over to the Styles pane, go to this A+ for a new style, and we're going to create a new style. We give it a name. Let's call it APA paragraph. We want it to be a paragraph style. We want it to be based on the normal style, which we defined in the last video. And we want the following paragraph to be also an APA paragraph. Okay, this formatting stuff is all correct because it's based on the normal style, which we've already adjusted to be correct. I'm going to go to Format and Paragraph. And here I'm going to adjust the indentation. Go to the indentation area, go to Special, go to First Line. And you want the first line of every paragraph in APA style to be indented by 1/2 inch. And it's already set to 1/2 inch, so I'm going to hit OK and OK. Now let's take a look at what it looks like when we type a paragraph. Okay, I've finished typing my paragraph. I'm going to hit Enter to insert another paragraph break. And as you can see, it automatically indented the next paragraph 1/2 inch. That's good. That's what we want. One of the advantages to creating a style for your paragraphs is that if the formatting gets broken in your paragraph, you can quickly fix it using that style button. So I'm going to change some of the formatting in this paragraph just to give you an example. Okay, so we've changed the formatting. The paragraph looks funny now. Let's highlight the whole paragraph and just click over here on APA paragraph, and it fixes the formatting for us. So if you copy and paste from the internet and your text looks funny because you've copy and pasted it from a different style on the internet, you can use this style button to fix that text really quickly. We're also going to add a style for the title. I know we already have, the title is already styled correctly here, but we're going to do something really useful by adding a style. So I'm going to call this APA paper title. I also want it to be a paragraph style. I want it to be based on the normal template, the normal style. And I want the following paragraph to be an APA paragraph, APA paragraph styled paragraph. Now I'm going to go to Format for this style, go to Paragraph. I'm going to go to Outline Level and call it Level 1. Okay, what that's going to do by giving it an outline level, it's going to automatically put the title of the paper into the outline that's automatically generated over here in the navigation pane. So after I click OK, we should see the title of the paper appear over here in the navigation pane. Okay, and there it is. So the advantage to this is that if you have a very long paper, you can click right here at any time and it will automatically take you back to the beginning of the paper. I have an example paper open. I want to show you what this looks like. So I have a long paper with headings and sections already put into the paper. I could be working on any part of the paper. I could be down here typing. And if I want to jump back up to the beginning of the paper, I just click on the title here and we go automatically back to the title of the paper. Okay, let's go back to the other paper that we were working on. And I should show you this. Because we set it so that the paragraph following the title is an APA style paragraph, if at the very end of the title we hit Enter, we should get a new paragraph that's automatically styled like an APA style paragraph. Okay, those are the basics that you need to know for setting up the body of an APA style paper. come back for the next video, and I'll show you how to set up the references page. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you'd like more help with your writing, I've put a link to my website in the video description below, and you can get a hold of me there.